How much do you know about general knowledge? Do not forget to follow the channel and turn on notifications. Challenge yourself, keep score, and let's get started. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Ottawa is Canada's capital and home to Parliament Hill. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. Which country is home to the Great Pyramid of Giza? Egypt. The Great Pyramid is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au. The symbol Au comes from the Latin word aurum. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest mammal on Earth? The blue whale. What is the largest hot desert in the world? The Sahara Desert. The Sahara stretches across much of North Africa. At what temperature does water freeze in Celsius? (0°C). How many continents are there on Earth? Seven. Most school systems teach 7 continents. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to make food. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Which country is credited with inventing paper? China. Paper making is traditionally credited to ancient China. What is the smallest prime number? Two. Which organ pumps blood through the body? The heart. The heart pumps blood through a network of blood vessels. Which language has the most native speakers? Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese has the largest number of native speakers worldwide. What is the longest river in the world? The Nile River. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Mercury is one of the few metals that is liquid near room temperature. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Which city hosted the first modern Olympic Games? Athens. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. Which planet is famous for its rings? Saturn. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin. Skin protects the body and helps regulate temperature. Which country is known for the kangaroo? Australia. Which instrument measures earthquakes? A seismograph. Seismographs record vibrations caused by seismic waves. What is the main gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere. Which civilization built Machu Picchu? The Inca. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Jupiter is more massive than all the other planets combined. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. O negative blood can be used in emergencies when the recipient's type is unknown. Which composer became deaf later in life? Beethoven. What is the currency of Japan? The yen. The yen is the official currency of Japan. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which vitamin can the body make from sunlight? Vitamin D. Sunlight helps the skin produce vitamin D. What is water changing into vapor called? Evaporation. Evaporation happens when liquid water becomes water vapor. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The lion. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France. Which part of a plant usually performs photosynthesis? Leaves. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which helps capture light energy. Which scientist proposed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. Which ocean borders California? The Pacific Ocean. California's western coast meets the Pacific Ocean. How many players are on a soccer team on the field? "11. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? "100 degrees Celsius. At standard pressure, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments.